Hey guys, Captain Fada here. Welcome back. Before we dig into the training, I just want to do a quick case study to show you guys what's actually possible with this. So within the space of 30 to 40 minutes with ChatGPT, I was able to create inbound lead generation PDF handbook. I was able to create a sales copy for the handbook. I was able to create email swipes and welcome emails. I was able to create a bonus PDF for the product. I was able to create a free PDF to build my list. I was able to create an upsell product along with the sales copy. I was able to create all the required legal pages. And of course, inside of the rest of this training, you will discover how to do this with a step-by-step plan. That's what we're going to cover in the next module and in the next video. So first, I just want to show you the outcome of this. So I saved most of the stuff into Google Drive. So we got all the content. For example, we used ChatGPT to write the PDF book, and basically it took me around 10 or 15 minutes to format it like this, and with that we have a 22-page PDF book. I was able to create a sales copy using the 10-step formula. I was able to create a lead magnet and a bonus for the product, which is basically 10 websites that offer lead generation services. I was able to create a brand new product, which we will be using as the upsell, which is a 30-page PDF on conversion mastery. And I've got all the emails in here, the welcome emails, the thank you emails for the customers. So basically they're just ready to copy and paste into the autoresponder. Now, I want to explain this before we dig into the training. Everything is under one ChatGPT. So I wasn't creating a different chat every single time. And with that and with the system I've created, so basically I can ask ChatGPT to follow up on anything that's inside this. I don't need to rewrite it. I don't need to explain it again. I can say, okay, remember the above PDF, can you write me a sales copy for that? Or can you write me an welcome email? Because I'm not opening up a new chat, I'm sticking everything inside the one. It's going to make it so much easier. So I think that's lesson one. And I have repeated this process 5 or 6 times over and over again, perfecting it. So in the next video, you will see how the process works. So it's absolutely amazing, guys. As I said, I was able to come up with this in about less than 30 to 40 minutes. Normally, this would take me 2 to 3 weeks of work. And with that, it would probably cost me thousands of dollars. I would outsource the sales copy. I would spend maybe 2 or 3 days writing the emails myself. I would spend more time setting up everything, and basically this just took all the thinking away, and it just basically speeds everything up massively. So that's it for the case study, guys. I will see you in the next video.